Mistake number 1. Creating the pitch deck starting with the wrong mindset. When you're meeting with investors, what do you usually talk about? You want to share your awesome stories. You want to inspire them with the story. You want to show them how committed you are to the project and how confident you are in the film. But do you know what they're exactly looking for in a film? Imagining that someone wanted to borrow $5,000 from you. What questions would you ask? Why do you need the money? How much do you need? When can you pay me back? Right? When you're asking for funds from investors, they have the same questions in their minds. I asked this question to many film investors. What's the most important aspect to consider when you invest in a film? Their answers were an interesting story, a team of committed filmmakers, details regarding the use of their money, and how they're going to get the return on the investment. And the last one is how to distribute the film effectively. If you want to persuade an investor, you must stand in their shoes. Great story, a film that fully expresses yourself, is just one part entire film production. It should never be the last thing to think about how you are going to use the money and pay back with a return, so that you can create a long-term relationship with the investors. So the solution for the first mistake is to wear the hat of an investor and think like an investor. Role play, if you're going to invest $500K to a film, what do you want to get out of the film?